justifying higher coaching fees. Why should you charge higher? Because I tell people they should charge higher, and then they tell me, hey, dude, you got to justify. Okay, now your ability to justify premium coaching fees hinges on aligning pricing with demonstrable client outcomes. This is me trying to write fancy stuff, but all I'm saying is that you have got to align what you do with an outcome that is beyond what anybody could pay. If your coaching is going to save somebody from committing suicide, save somebody from losing their marriage, help them to be promoted to the next role, help somebody to become fitter, whatever it is, get rid of lupus, whatever it is, okay? Make sure that for you to justify the higher pricing, that your pricing is outcome based. It is based on the value of what they get as an outcome. If somebody is going to get something beyond what it is that you are giving them or what they have at the moment, then it doesn't matter. You got to price it as far or as much as you need to based on what they're going to get. That's very, very important. You want to justify your prices? I'll tell you, when I do a team build, I know when people are going to work better together because of my team build, which means that they're going to have better customer service, which means that they're going to have better customers, and or they're going to have increased orders, which is going to give them more money and is going to increase their bottom line by $100,000. I'm going to ask for $20,000. Why? Because of what they're going to get. Not because of my time, not how long it's going to take, not the props I'm going to take, not the firework, no. According to the value. Number two, I will always, for me to justify my pricing, I must always profile my clients strategically. I will not bring on clients who don't have a business, have not been in the grind, so to speak, and most importantly, do not have a great product they're selling. If you're not a person with that, I cannot because you won't understand it, okay? I want people who have been through the grind. If you find a consultant who has struggled a little bit and they have a great product, they have a passion, they want to make the world better, that's my kind of person because I can help them because I've been there. But most important, because that is what I've done all my life, helping people like that go to the next level, okay? And one of the ways that I do that is I will always create a tiered accessibility. What do I mean? There's a foundation stage that is $3,000 for anybody foundation to get in. That's it. And then there's the accelerated, which is 7.5, which is $7,500, which includes a mastermind. It includes weekly calls. It includes you traveling to New York and catching up in a beautiful penthouse. Why? Why do we do that? Because that is what it takes. And people who know that 7,500 is completely, it is so small compared to what you're going to get from these interactions, those are my kind of people. They'll jump on a plane, they'll go places, they'll do whatever they have to do to get that. Next, another way that I always justify my pricing and give me confidence is transformation-centric packaging. What do I mean? I package my products differently, okay? I do executive programs. I don't do executive career coaching. No, it's an executive program, okay? I do the rapid influence system, okay? Not a culture change program. Premium, rapid influence system, double, triple, 20, 30% more on your bottom line as an organization. Why? My pricing is designed for value beyond what they're thinking about right now. And then finally, social proof engineering. What does that mean? Curate client stories emphasizing return on investment. What do I mean? This is an example. I'll give you some examples here. This program helped me negotiate a $310,000 compensation package worth every penny of the 25K. If one of my clients said that, okay, and I shared that with you, I'll tell you, for example, I was the most successful, I still am, I think, the most successful executive coach for people who are going for director jobs in a certain part of the world. Everybody who came through my coaching on how to get the job always got it, okay? And they always came back, and these were what? Like big time jobs, you know, being an executive in a bank, especially a national bank, okay? There is nobody who came through and did not go on to get the job. All right, that's why I said I do executive programs, but guess what? Most of them would say My time with Coach Phill helped me to get that job, which improved my salary by $40,000-$50,000. Okay, just that alone, just that social proof engineering alone, anybody who reads this is going to say, I want this. Why? If it's going to help me to do that, why not? Okay, video testimonials showing pre and post emotional states. Okay, for example, burnout. I had a couple pictures of one of my best friends and one of my best clients, Imran. When he had just called me, the first time he called me, he was pissed off, he was tired, he wanted to kill somebody. And then the time just before we left, I think it was Lagos or Cameroon, I don't know where, and we were with Roger Miller, and he was the happiest guy in the world. Not Roger Miller, but Imran and myself. And I turned around and said, do you remember where we started? He said, oh man, when you first met me, I almost quit my job, but now I'm on top of the world. Why is that important? The picture showing the bloated, angry, wanna give up Imran to a cool dude standing with Roger Miller in a country where he has just made the biggest difference is gold. And doing that will always help you. So social proofing is important, okay? And then ultimately, or finally, peer benchmark transparency, okay? Publish market aligned rate cards, okay? Rate cards, what do I mean? If you have done at least 3-4 years in this business, you should be averaging minimum 300 per hour. That's it. But my fee is 500 per hour, because a certain group of people that I'm looking for when I charge like that. And when you begin to have that mindset, it will completely change your business. Hey, until next time, whatever you do, remember that you and I not only have the audacity to make a difference, but most importantly, to help other people to do the same. Until next time.